As guests ascend the front steps of this striking hilltop home, they are greeted by a stunning Carrera marble sculpture titled Serenade by Richard Erdman. This exquisite piece, selected by the clients themselves, is more than just an artistic centerpiece. It symbolizes the harmonious collaboration that brought this home to life. The client's deep involvement in the design process, combined with the expertise of Robert Wright and Jason York of McCormick and Wright, who managed the interior design, resulted in a residence that reflects personal taste rather than fleeting trends. The home's aesthetic is both bold and timeless, setting the stage for what lies beyond its impressive exterior. The dark gray rough stacked slate exterior is capped with a crisp white stucco, creating a striking contrast that immediately captures attention. This juxtaposition of textures and colors hints at the home's modern West Coast lifestyle, where traditional elements are reinterpreted with contemporary flair. A pivot-style all-glass front door, framed by the sleek facade, invites visitors into the home, offering a glimpse of the hills beyond. This entrance not only serves as a welcoming portal but also as a visual axis, guiding the eye through the home and establishing a connection between the exterior and interior spaces. Upon entering, one is drawn into the central open volume, a signature design element by Mark Whipple that reimagines the traditional courtyard. Whipple's innovative approach involved sinking the courtyard, transforming what would typically be a dark subterranean basement into a light-filled lower floor with expansive views. This anti-basement design is illuminated by a large skylight, which not only floods the space with natural light but also creates a dramatic upward focus. The result is a vertical volume that adds a dynamic quality to the home, with visual connections along different axes that enhance the sense of movement and flow. The back of the house is a testament to the beauty of its location, with 2 walls of glass in the living space offering panoramic views of the pool, patio, and the rolling hills of Beverly Hills. This connection to the outdoors is further emphasized by the floating stairs that lead down to the bottom level, an architectural feature that not only connects the floors visually but also adds to the sense of openness and light throughout the home. For those who prefer a more modern convenience, an elevator made of polished mirrored stainless steel is located just to the right of the foyer, offering a seamless transition between levels. Whipple's vision for the central volume was to create a space that fosters connectivity within the home. This volume allows for visual and spatial connections that remind occupants of their surroundings, whether they are moving from one room to another or simply glancing across the house. From the bedroom, one might catch a glimpse of the kitchen, or from the family room, say goodnight to someone upstairs. This design fosters a sense of closeness and interaction, even within a large and complex structure, ensuring that family connections are maintained. Surrounding this sunlit atrium are the main living areas, including the kitchen, living room, and dining room. Each of these spaces is designed to flow seamlessly into the next, creating a cohesive environment that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Off the living room, a few steps down lead to an intimate library seating area with a built-in bar cabinet, perfect for quiet evenings or entertaining guests. This area, open to the central volume, also adjoins a home office, providing a serene yet connected workspace. The subterranean level, a masterstroke in the design, was essential in meeting the client's extensive list of requirements. Mark Whipple worked closely with the clients to ensure that every space was thoughtfully integrated into the design. This level includes a full gym, a salon complete with a massage table and steam shower, a golf simulator, and an 8-seat home theater. Each of these spaces is carefully designed to provide both luxury and functionality, ensuring that the home meets the diverse needs of its occupants while maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. One of the most impressive features of the lower level is the downstairs courtyard area, illuminated by the skylight above. This space includes seating and wine storage, creating a tranquil retreat that is both private and inviting. The surrounding rooms are designed for both relaxation and entertainment, with state-of-the-art technology integrated throughout. The home theater, for example, boasts cutting-edge projection and sound systems, while the car park features a turntable that identifies each car and rotates it to the optimal exit angle, ensuring ease of use. In the end, this Hilltop home is a testament to the power of collaboration, innovation, and a deep respect for both the client's desires and the surrounding environment. Every detail, from the art at the entrance to the high-tech amenities below, reflects a commitment to quality and a passion for design. This is more than just a residence. It is a work of art, a sanctuary, and a reflection of a modern lifestyle that values both connection and individuality.